12 car gadgets available on Amazon right now. In the fast-paced world of automotive technology, innovations are constantly transforming our driving experience. From cutting-edge safety features to smart entertainment solutions, the market is brimming with car gadgets designed to make our time on the road more enjoyable and secure. MaxiPark Ride. The MaxiPark Ride represents a pinnacle of innovation in the realm of parking aids, offering a comprehensive solution to the common challenges associated with maneuvering in confined spaces. Leveraging ultrasonic technology, this gadget serves as an invaluable assistant to drivers by providing real-time feedback on the proximity of their vehicle to potential obstacles. With strategically placed sensors, the MaxiPark Ride ensures precise measurements, granting drivers the confidence to navigate tight parking scenarios with ease. Its audible alerts contribute to a stress-free parking experience, making it an essential addition for those seeking both convenience and safety in their daily driving endeavors. TerraPump. The TerraPump emerges as a versatile and efficient gadget, redefining the process of liquid transfer with its intuitive design and multifunctionality. Designed for seamless transfer of various liquids, including fuel and water, this compact pump serves as a reliable companion in a spectrum of scenarios. Whether addressing emergency situations, supporting outdoor activities, or aiding in routine maintenance, the TerraPump's portable and adaptable nature makes it an indispensable tool. Its battery-operated or manual pumping mechanisms enhance its versatility, ensuring users can effortlessly and cleanly transfer liquids, solidifying its place as a reliable and practical automotive accessory. AMP Research Smart Series Power Step. The AMP Research Smart Series Power Step stands as a testament to technological innovation in the realm of vehicle accessibility. This retractable step deploys automatically when the vehicle door opens, providing a convenient platform for easier entry and exit. Crafted with precision engineering, the Power Step enhances both functionality and aesthetics, seamlessly integrating into the vehicle's design. The intelligent technology behind the AMP Research Smart Series Power Step not only facilitates effortless access, but also retracts to maintain ground clearance during driving, showcasing a meticulous blend of convenience, safety, and design sophistication. Anti-skid tire block. The anti-skid tire block emerges as a crucial accessory for drivers venturing into challenging terrains or facing adverse weather conditions. Crafted with durability and traction in mind, these tire blocks provide enhanced grip and stability, preventing slippage on slippery surfaces. The robust construction ensures longevity, making the anti-skid tire block an essential tool for off-road enthusiasts, those navigating snow-covered roads, or individuals seeking an extra layer of safety in unpredictable driving conditions. Its versatility and ease of use position it as an indispensable asset for drivers prioritizing safety and control in various environments. Minigun exhaust. The minigun exhaust, a remarkable innovation in automotive customization, takes the auditory experience of driving to a whole new level. Engineered to mimic the iconic sound of a minigun, this exhaust system not only enhances the vehicle's performance but also provides a distinctive and exhilarating auditory experience. Crafted with precision and often designed with top-quality materials, the minigun exhaust is a testament to automotive enthusiasts' desire for a personalized and unique driving experience. Its ability to seamlessly merge performance enhancement with an unmistakable auditory signature makes it a sought-after accessory for those seeking individuality in their vehicle's identity. Yakima Road Shower. The Yakima Road Shower redefines on-the-go convenience by combining utility with a sleek and aerodynamic design. This pressurized water tank, seamlessly integrated into a roof rack system, provides a portable and efficient solution for outdoor enthusiasts or individuals on extended road trips. The road shower allows users to carry pressurized water, making it ideal for a variety of applications, including showering, cleaning gear, or even rinsing off after outdoor activities. Its durable construction, ease of installation, and compatibility with roof racks make the Yakima Road Shower a versatile and indispensable accessory for those seeking an enhanced outdoor lifestyle on the road. Alloy Gator Rim Protection. The Alloy Gator Rim Protection represents a breakthrough in safeguarding one of a vehicle's most vulnerable components, its rims. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, these rim protectors serve as a protective barrier against curb damage, scratches, and scuffs. Their flexible and robust design ensures a snug fit around the rim, offering a visually discreet yet highly effective layer of protection. Available in various colors, alloy gator rim protection not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetics, but also provides peace of mind to owners who wish to preserve the pristine condition of their rims. Clark Tracks. Clark Tracks emerge as a revolutionary gadget tailored for off-road adventurers and individuals navigating challenging terrains. These innovative track systems replace traditional tires, transforming a vehicle into an unstoppable off-road machine. Crafted with robust materials and designed for easy installation, Clark Tracks provide enhanced traction, flotation, and stability in various terrains, including mud, snow, or sand. Their versatility ensures compatibility with a range of vehicles, from ATVs to trucks. Clark Tracks redefine off-road capabilities, making them an essential accessory for those seeking to explore and conquer challenging landscapes with confidence and ease. Snow Joe SJBLZD LED 4-in-1. The Snow Joe SJBLZD LED 4-in-1 is a comprehensive winter tool designed to tackle the challenges posed by snow and ice. Combining a snow broom, ice scraper, and dual ice-melting LED lights, this gadget provides an all-in-one solution for winter weather maintenance. The snow broom efficiently removes snow from the vehicle's exterior, while the ice scraper tackles ice buildup on windows and mirrors. The integrated LED lights not only enhance visibility during early morning or late-night snow clearing, but also assist in melting ice. The Snow Joe SJBLZD LED 4-in-1 offers a versatile and efficient solution for winter weather challenges, catering to the needs of drivers facing inclement weather conditions. Traction 5-100 Tailgate Ladder. The Traction 5-100 tailgate ladder stands out as a practical and innovative solution to the often overlooked challenge of accessing the bed of a pickup truck. Crafted with durability and user convenience in mind, this tailgate ladder provides a secure and stable platform for users to climb into the truck bed with ease. Its collapsible design ensures unobtrusive storage when not in use, and the robust construction ensures longevity and reliability. EcoXteer EcoJump. The EcoXteer EcoJump redefines the concept of a portable jump starter, offering a compact yet powerful solution for drivers facing unexpected battery issues. This gadget serves as a reliable source of jump-starting power for vehicles, ensuring that drivers can get back on the road swiftly and without the need for assistance. The EcoJump's compact design includes additional features such as a flashlight, USB ports for device charging, and a rugged build for durability. Its versatility extends beyond jump starting, making it a multifunctional and indispensable tool for drivers prioritizing self-sufficiency and preparedness on the road. X-Chock Wheel Stabilizer. The X-Chock Wheel Stabilizer addresses a common concern among RV and trailer owners: unwanted wheel movement when parked. Crafted with precision and ease of use in mind, this stabilizer provides a simple yet effective solution to prevent tandem tires from shifting. The X-Chock's robust construction ensures durability, and its expandable design allows for a secure fit between the wheels. By minimizing lateral movement, this stabilizer enhances the stability of parked trailers or RVs, offering a practical solution for those seeking a secure and comfortable experience while camping or parked at various locations. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.